Am I audible, sir? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Am I audible? Audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See. Now, see, you can take properties of groups. Proofs are actually one or two lines that will given PPT. PPT I will send you by in WhatsApp group. Just you can check. Maybe your cycle is to cancel. I think so. You have to come there. They will conduct there. I think so. Correct or not? Any date given for cycle test two? Any idea about cycle test two?
Sir, they told it will be after 25th October only.
Yes, 20th October, cycle test 2 and cycle test 3. I hope they are continuously they will keep. That is offline mode, not online mode.
Yes, sir.
We see what will happen. Suppose if God grace everything settle down means he will become there. I hope. We'll write there.
Yes, sir.
But before that, we can complete the syllabus. Next we see what they will decide. We can follow. It's not a big deal. We do our way, our work actually. Correct? It is just. Identity element of group is unique. Only one element should be in that group actually. A group G star if you define. Star is a binary operation. With binary operation if you define means what first property is what identity of group is unique. You don't get two identity elements. If you say for group this is the identity means what whatever the whole group that is only one unit. Inverse of each element of element of G star is unique. For every element, you will have only one inverse. Suppose if we say for this element, this is the inverse, this one. And one inverse only exists. It's no two inverses. Already cancellation law you studied actually, that is. True in a group. That is A star B is equal to A star C implies B is equal to C. That is called right cancellation. left cancellation. Just note down. Fourth properties. A comma B belongs to G. G is a group here always. A comma B, the equation A star X is equal to B has the unique solution X is equal to A inverse star B. But if you want, you can go pre-multiply by A inverse means what? A inverse star is equal to A star A inverse, that is E. You will get E star B is equal to E. That is how you will get that form. Similarly, another equation we have Y star B. Y star B has a unique solution. And Y is equal to BA inverse. This is A inverse B. B. Post multiplication and pre multiplication cancellation. That last I will tell you in PPT, don't worry. So only one line proof. This time being and copy down, I will explain after that. Last properties. Hidden bond it means what the same element star operation means same thing will get actually. But thing is what in group I am getting unique element of the identity. A star E is equal to A only get. From these two what you will get? A is equal to E you will get. There is no identity element, only identity element. Group. Already you studied permutations. Suppose permutation is suppose if I have n numbers, n comma 2. Two numbers means how many permutations I can do? Permutations, combinations already are studied. So how you will get permutations? Any idea? How many permutations you will get? I have two numbers actually. Arrangement two numbers in how many permutations you will get?
Two, sir.
Huh? Two. Correct. Suppose here how many permutations I will get?
Eight, sir.
No, not 8. N numbers means how many permutations you will get actually. Formula I given. Suppose you forgotten everything actually permutation rule. 3 numbers are there. Here how many numbers I can fill? 3 numbers. Already one number I filled. So here balance box is what? 2 numbers. Already here one number, only one. So 3 into 2 into 1. So how much? How much?
6, sir.
So actually n numbers means how many permutations you will get? NPN. NPN is equal to what? Nothing but n factorial. Right or not? Yeah, actually they will define permutations group also. How they will go? Suppose two elements. S is equal to A comma B. So if you define permutation group means what? AB with AB. For AB, you may get BA. This is P1, P2. This top line is fixed only. They made an array A and BA. So this is meaning is what? The function of A is equal to A, function of B image is B. Here A image is B, B image is A. like this. So 1, 2, 3 means you have to write 6 permutations you can write. Getting or not? So from this you can group also, we can define operations, permutation operations. That I will explain you, don't worry. Suppose S is I am taking two elements in P1 is this is one permutation, this is one permutation. Okay. Now P1 star P2 how you will define P1 star P2. That is also another permutation you get. Here A image is what? Tell me. For A image is what? Function of A is equal to what? A. Correct? Getting or not? Hello? Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Understanding or not? Here also you want to write for AB. Correct? For A P1 star P2 I am operating. In P1, A image is what? A. Again, taking this A, P2 where is EC? P2 A image is what? B. So A to A, again A to B. These two cancel means A to B I will get. Again, here B image is what? B. In B, P2, what is the image for B image? You can see B image is what? A. This is nothing but what? P2. So, if you composition, if you do parent P1 star P2 means what? Again you are getting P2. Reaching on it like this you can do. Copy down if you want. So, from P1 now we will do suppose this thing. This is now actually some example I am telling you. X. They will do actually permutation. 3 permutation means you will get 6. Normally for understanding I am telling. In P1, one image is what? Tell me. One image is what?
P.
3. In P2, 3 image is what?
1.
1, 3, 3, 1. So P1 star P2 how you will write? 1, 1. Agree? Similarly, in P1, 2 image is what? 2. Correct? In P2, 2 image is what? 2, 2, again 2, 2, 3. So what will get? Then P1, 3 image is what? 1. Again, P2, 1 image is what? 2. So, okay, yeah. Any problem? Now you can tell P2 star P1, you can explain me. Sir, getting or not? Am I confusing you? Okay? Hello? Are you able to understand or not? P1 star P2 in permutation group. Now P2 star P1, you can tell me. In P2, 1 image is 2. Again in P1, 2 image is 2. So what you will get? 1, 2, 2, 2. So it's become 1, 2. Am I correct or not? Hello? You people are there or not?
Yes, sir.
Not responding, sir. With a lot of pain, I am taking class, but nobody responding. P2 star P1, 1, 2, 2. Again, this 2 you can see top. 2, 2, 2. So, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So, 1, 2. Again, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. So, 2, 1. Then, 3, 1, 1, 3. So, 3, 3. Check what I written is right or wrong, you can check. Right? Check once again, you can check yourself. Clear?
Yes, sir.
For sake, I given one example. It's not correct. For understanding, I given 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1 like this. Just 1, 2 permutation only. Actually, 3 numbers means I'll get 6 permutations. For understanding, I just 2 permutations given. For I am explaining P1 star P2, P2 star P1. Just you can check again. Clear? Next. Now, suppose G star, they define G is equal to some elements, some operations may be defined. Okay, after defining, they will prove that, say G star is a prove that is in a group. It's a group means what you will do, how many properties I want to satisfy, 3 to 4 properties I want to satisfy. 1, 2, 3, 4. So first property is what? Closure. Second is what? Associative. Then existence of identity. Then inverse, existence of inverse. If they give any problem, if I able to prove that these 4 properties satisfies on that condition means what you can say, G star is a group. Suppose if they ask to prove that it's an abelian group means what? 4th property, commutative property, it should be satisfied. If it is group means up to this 4, abelian means what? Commutative. Commutative means what? A star B is equal to B star A, it should prove. Closure means what? A comma B belongs to G means what? A star B also belongs to G. Associate is what? A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. Identity is what? A star E is equal to A, there exists E. Then I inverse is what? A star A inverse equal to E. Where A inverse is what? Inverse of E. These all are, if you are able to prove that the given condition, your job is over. Okay, note down one problem we do. Okay, take now problem. Show that the set of all non-zero real numbers or minus 0 form an abelian group. First problem abelian. Wait. With respect to star, define A star B is equal to AB by 2. A comma B belongs to or minus 0. So, what is telling? One problem they are giving. Show that set of all real numbers or minus 0. You can take any real number other than 0. Okay, or minus 0. form an abelian group, form an abelian group, form an abelian group under operation, under binary operation. Operation star defined by A star B is equal to A star B is equal to A star B is equal to AB by 2. So take any real number other than 0. Non-zero real numbers, if you take any number, how to operate actually? Suppose if you take two real numbers, x1, x2 means what? x1 star x2, x1, x2 by 2, you have to prompt. Meaning is what? That should not be 0, you should not take 0. Suppose if you take 1 into 1 comma 8, also the real numbers are not other than zeros. 1 star 8, how can you write? 1 into 8 by 2. The star gives, this is the operation. Now we have to show that all axioms should means you can say first it's a group. Once if you say the group, then you can say prove the abelian. Once if you are able to prove commutative means what you can say given group is abelian group. Correct? Getting or not? Hello? Any doubt? Any doubt? Say yes or no.
No, sir, no doubt.
So set of all real numbers r minus 0. You can say set of all real numbers other than 0 form an abelian group under the binary operation star defined by A star B is equal to AB by 2. Now you can 4 axioms, you can prove that. Now first axiom is what? Closure. Closure property is what? A star B. If A comma B belongs to G, so AB cannot be 0. That is what? For all AB, RE minus 0. Any real number take two real numbers is true. If A comma B belongs to 0 means what? They are not 0. So means what? That is equal to how we will get AB by 2. If A comma B belongs to 0 means AB by 2 belongs to G or not? Tell me. Is it 0? No 0. Non-zero number. Obviously it belongs to G or not. Take any two numbers in real. If that two numbers belongs to r minus 0 means if you multiply by divide by 2, they are not zeros. Compulsory is they also real numbers are not. Yeah, real numbers are not. Hello. If A star B belongs to 0, that is r minus 0. So G is what? Where my G is r of minus 0. AB by 2 also belongs to G or not? Tell me. Say yes or no. So belongs or not, sir? Hello. Because A cannot be 0, B cannot be 0. So AB by K also cannot be 0. It also belongs to G or not? Sir, are you there or not?
Yes, sir.
It belongs to us. So obviously, closure property true. AB by also belongs to G. So it's true. First property means what? Closure property. Second property is what? Associative. Associative means what? A star B star is equal to A star B star C. You can take if A, B, and C belongs to G. Take three elements A, B, C belongs to G. Means what? They all are real numbers but not zero. Non-zero real numbers. If you want say in one stroke, they all are non-zero real numbers. Suppose now we can prove that LHS you can take. Are you able to see my board here? Down or up there, okay?
Yes, sir. Till there we can see.
Down we can't, then I will go up. Now copy down fast. Now define three elements I am taking A, B, C belongs to G. Now LHS you can define A star, B star C. First I will inside the bracket I will simplify. B star C, how can I write from my definition of the star definition? How can I write? Binary operation, how they are defining. B star C, how can I write? How can I write B star C, sir? How they define star actually here A star B, how I am defining? Your binary operation, how they are defined? A star B is equal to what? A star BC by 2. Now actually BC by also belongs to R minus 0. This is again you can take one element. Again A star this element is equal to what you will get? A BC by 2 by 2. That is ABC by 4. ABC by 4 also belongs to R minus 0, set of non-zero elements, non-zero real numbers. They take RHS. A star B star C. A star B how I am defining? AB by 2 star C. So this how can I define? AB by 2 C divided by 2. So that is now third law is what? Existence of identity. If it is identity is there or not, I want to see. In this group, identity is there or not in the by operation for this operation, I want to check identity is there or not. So existence of identity. So how can I write actually identity element is what A star E is equal to A. But what is A star E? How will you apply? What is the operation? What is the operation A star B star? See, people are there, all are in meeting, but why are you not talking? I don't know. A star E, how can you write? If it is existing identity E, I will get A star E is equal to A I will get. Then AE by 2, this is ordinary multiplication, this is binary operation. So this cancel. From this, E is equal to 2. So 2 also belongs to, here E is equal to what? 2. For a group, identity element is 2. So inverse, how you will find inverse? Inverse element. How you will find out inverse actually? A inverse equal to E you have to get. You know here E is equal to what? 2, identity element. A and A star, how can you do actually? A into by 2. E I know actually, unique actually. Group identity is always unique. So 2. So from this A inverse is equal to what you will get? 4 by A. So A inverse is equal to 4 by A. Suppose if you take another element B means what? 4 by B you will get. 4 by A also belongs to R minus 0 or not. So obviously it belongs R minus 0. So non-zero element. So existence of the inverse. So every element, suppose A is an element belongs to R minus G, then there exists a inverse 4 by A. So all 4 properties are proved, it's a group. G star is a group. Now what I want to prove that G star is a abelian group. If you want to prove that abelian group means what? I want to prove that commutative rule. Commutative rule is what? The fifth rule I want, the extra rule I want to form. So commutative rule is what? A star B is equal to B star A. Now take LHS. A star B is equal to what? AB by 2. B star A is equal to what? BA by 2. That I can write AB by 2. So LHS is equal to RHS. So it satisfies commutative. From this what you will say? G star where all real numbers are minus, where my G is what? Group is what? This is a set of elements. E is an abelian group. So like that you have to do. Copy down fast. Sir, copied. Next problem. Prove that R minus 1 forms an abelian group. What is the operation I want to see? It is textable. Forms an abelian group. Group under the operation star define A star B is equal to A plus B minus A minus AB for all A comma B belongs to now come on. For all A comma B belongs to R minus 1. Form an abelian group means what again you have to prove all four proofs. Now closure property can prove. First is what closure. If A comma B belongs to G, implies A star B also belongs to G. Now my A star A comma B conjugate belongs to R minus 1, no doubt, if you take such any elements. Now A star B is what? This also belongs to G, because if you take minimum, don't take one, I am taking other than one number. If you take whatever may be, A plus B is what greater than AB. So guarantee it should belongs. It won't become 1 actually, okay? R is minus 1. So this also belongs to so closure property true. Now associate you can do. Associate what you will do? A star, B star. A star, B star, C is equal to A star, B star, C. Prove fast. What you are getting, tell me. Tell me what you are getting. Associate true, fast, true. Now prove. LHS you can take. B star C is equal to what? B plus C minus BC. Then A star B star C is equal to what? B star C already I got. A star B plus C minus BC. That is equal to what you will get? This plus this element. B plus C minus BC. Then these two elements minus of these two elements multiplication minus A into B plus C minus BC. Now what you will get? A plus B plus C minus BC minus AB minus AC plus ABC. So this if you want you can write A plus B plus C plus ABC minus AB minus BC minus AC. Then RHS also you can prove that LHS you got A plus B plus C plus ABC minus AB minus BC minus C. Come to the RHS, what you will get? RHS A star B star C. Now A star B how can I write? A plus B minus AB. Then A star B star C. How can I write? A plus B minus AB star C. So this is equal to what? A plus B minus AB plus C minus of C into this element. So this also you write if you simplify A plus B plus C plus ABC you will get minus AB minus BC minus C. If you want you can check. Don't copy down blindly. Check and do. Then tell me what you will get. LH is equal to RHS, then associative. Now we can prove identity element. How can you prove? Come on. Just 2 minutes. I'll come. So associative proved. Now you can prove identity. Sorry, people are there or not? Hello? Just on your computer and your left, I think so. There or not? Are you there? At least say any one of you yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Only you only talking.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now you can find the identity element from this. But my set is what? R minus 1. It should not be 1 in real number. Some problems, maybe your textbook say maybe rational number they are telling like this. Rational means not a 0 like this. You can take it for granted. A previous problem. Now we can find identity element. How will we find identity element? So existence of identity. A star E is equal to A. But our operation A star E is equal to what? A plus E minus AE is equal to A. Now say who is E? If you want, you can bring this that side A. So what will you get actually? E minus AE is equal to 0. A minus E. So E 1 A cannot be 1 because we know that my set is what? R minus 1. Set of all real number other than 1, all real numbers I am taking. Cannot be 1. So obviously E is equal to what? What is E? 0. 0 allowed actually. Previous problem 0 not allowed. This problem can be 0. So identity element is what? 0. Is 0 is allowed 1, but you can say if you want you can say if A also 1 means what? Whole thing collapse. But I am telling whatever maybe A comma B belongs to what? My G. My G how it will form? R minus 1. Real number minus 1. So E is equal to 0 allowed. So obviously I know A not equal to 1. Correct? Now identity element is what? 1. Now find inverse element. Inverse element how you will find out? Inverse element how you will get? A star A inverse is equal to E how to get. Here I know E is equal to 0. But first you can write A star A inverse operation. How you will write? A plus A inverse minus AA inverse is equal to E. That E is equal to 0. A cannot be 0, 1. If A becomes 0 means why it's telling, see how nicely they frame the problem is seen. If it is A is equal to 1 means what? Here what the whole thing will collapse, 0 also will collapse, 0 by 0, identity form, this is what? Anything by 0, infinity will get. So that's why by problem how nicely they are fixing R minus 1 like this. So understanding or not? So A by A minus 1 also belongs to G. Existence of the inverse. Inverse also is a existence. Identity inverse. First 4 properties are over means you can say this is a group. For to find abelian group, you have to prove 5th property, commutative. So enough to prove A star B is equal to B star B. Correct? Now write A star B, you can write how you will write. A star B according to our operation, A plus B minus AB. B star A is equal to what? This you can take equation 1. B plus A minus BA. This I can write A plus B minus AB. This is ordinary multiplication. This operation is different. The ordinary multiplication is different. So from 1 and 2 what you understand? G star is abelian group. See, lot of problems are there. So many number of problems are there. Just important problems, 1 or 2 problems are there. Already anyway in your hand textbook is there. Just you can see. Just a simplification, plus, minus, multiplication. But rule you can follow. What rule they are giving. So which element is allowed, which element is not allowed, you can see. Once if you are familiar, it's not a big deal. See, one G is there defining functions. F2, F3, F4. Where F1 is equal to X, I think so. F2 is equal to minus X. F3 is equal to 1 by X. F4 is minus 1 by X. The star is defined as what? Composition. Composition of function. Composition of function means what? F1 of 2, F1 of F, like this you will write in F1 of F2 of X. This is called composition. Composition star of function. Prove that it's in a group. Prove that it is a group. Means what? You have to check all permutations actually. This is the Kelly table they will tell actually. They will form F1, F2, F3, F4. This is what? F1, F2, F3, F4. This is the operation here. Now we can write F1 of F1, what you will get? F1 only. Getting or not? Check. Right or wrong, you can tell me. F1 of X, what you will get? Are you understanding or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, F1 of F2, what you will get? First, F2 of X, you can substitute minus X. Minus X again, F1 of X means what again? Minus X. So, what you get? F2. Am I correct?
Sir.
Yes. Tell me. Tell me. F1 of F2 is F2, I think so. How you will do operations? F1, F2 of X. F1, F2 of X is what? Minus X. Again, F1 of X is what? X. So, that is what? Minus X. Correct or not? So, what you are getting? F1 of F2 is what? F2. Similarly, F1 of F3, just I want to see actually. You can check actually, don't copy down blindly. 1, 2, 3, 4. First row is 1, 2, 3, 4 for F2. This is called Kelly's table. Second row, what you will get means 2, 1, 4, 3. 2, 1, 4, 3. 2, 1, 4, 3. Third row is F3, I think so. Three, 4, 1, 2. Here star is what? Composition operation. Don't copy down blindly. Check at least any one element you can take. 4 is what? 4, 3, 2, 1. Here is operation. This is F1 of F1, F1 of F2, F1 of F3 like this operation. Now copy down, check yourself, don't do blindly. So from this what you understand actually, from this table, is it closure or not? If you take any two functions, again the inside function, same function only coming. There is now not getting any new function. So from this what you will say? Is it closure or not? If you operate in any functions, start this composition operation, F1 of F1, F2 of again, my whole this table is what? This elements only coming. I am not getting new elements. So means what? After operation also same element means what you understand. This is closure or not? Closure or not? Say yes or no?
Sir.
Closure. Now associate you can check is associate or not? take F1, F2, F3 like this, any one element, all elements satisfies. Associate also true. F1, F2, star, F3. That is composition. Star means star. Now F2, F3 is what? F2, F3 is F4. Then F1, F4 is what? F4. Again come this side. F1, F2 is what? F1, F2, F3 if you take. F1, F2 is what? F1, F2 is F2. F2, F3 is what? F1, F2 is F2. F2, F3 is what? Again, F4. So LHS is equal to RHS. It's an associate. Any doubt? Any problem? Now from this identity element, how can you say, tell me? Identity element means what? A star E is equal to A I want to get. From table, what is identity element? How can you say? Which is identity element? Here F1 is identity element. Can you see? Inverse is what? It's self inverse. The elements are itself inverse elements. The F1 coming. Element and element if you apply means what? F1 E coming. So same inverse is what? Itself is inverse element. Identity element is what? Identity element is what? F1. Inverse is what? Inverse of element is what? Itself. Next. See next one problem, we're doing good problem. See, suppose A is equal to, if you take 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n means what? The permutation set SL you will get what? N factorial you will get. Permutation set is what? N factorial you will get. 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n factorial. 2 means what? 2 factorial. 3 means 3 factorial. Permutations actually. Correct? Now, okay. Let A is equal to, note down, let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, set 1, 2, 3. SA, S suffix A, be set of all permutation of A. Then prove that with respect to the right composition of permutation, star, SA star is an abelian group. Maybe it's not abelian group, we see. He is asking, is it an abelian? If it is abelian means you can say abelian, otherwise you can say. Now SA, how many permutation? My A is what, 3 elements. So 3 factor you will get it. So 6 permutation set you will get it in matrices form. Correct? That you have to write permutation. Now SA is equal to how you will get? Solution you have to write P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6. Now how I will get P1 you see? Fine. 1, 2, 3, the same thing I am getting actually. Now 2, 2 I will change, 3, 3 I will, 1, 1 I will change. So how I will get chances are you see? Top is 1, 2, 3 only. Down you can adjust 3 elements, you can write 6 permutation, you can write, but that 6 permutation you can write. Automatically get P1, P2, P3. Now using Kali table, you can say whether it is group or abelian. Maybe it's not abelian, I think so. In text will they give it. See. If you want to take P1, P2, P3 differently, your table may be different, but operation same only. My P2 may be or P4. But product if you do composition, same story. If you got P1 star P2 means what you get 1, 1, again 1, 1. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, then 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, then 3, 2. Like this you can do. Now table you can write. That don't write just like that. Just try to solve and do. But actually, tally table on hint is that give me time, I will tell you. Blindly we can write actually. I forget actually. I will tell you. I will give a hint, don't worry, how to write directly. Some rule is there, actually in plus two level they will learn, I forget in some years together I taken class plus two is I forget. There is some rule I will tell you there and I will take class that time. I just tell you different time, you don't worry. Time you will copy down, you can have to operate. Okay. Closure is obviously is closure, associate also you can take. You take any two elements from the table, you can say associative. Then identity element, who is identity here? Here identity is P1 only, again. Inverse is what? Same thing, same elements. But abelian it will come, you see. P6, P5, I think it's not abelian. Symmetry group is not a abelian group. It's not a abelian group, maybe it's a group, okay. But abelian it won't satisfy, I think so. Check. P2, P1, P2, P2, P1, 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 P2, P2. They only fails. Take any two elements with what? Reverse also we have to get same thing. So it's not a abelian, but it's a group. So clear? Then I will stop here. Lot of things are there. Notes I will send you, just read. Groups, subgroups, you can, like groups I will do. Coding theory, you can prepare yourself. You are familiar. Actually, this Cali is also some rule is there. I forgot it. I'll tell you. Give me time. Actually, some hint is there. Cali table nicely we can do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, Cali table. I will give you a hint. Time you can copy down. Some hint is there. I forgotten actually. I want to see once. Recall. Then okay, give me attendance there. I will come there. So first number 569. Huh? Hello.
Yes, sir.
569 first number. Okay.
Yes,
70,
sir.
570,
Present, sir.
71, 71, 72,
Present, sir. 572.
73.
Sir, chat box.
Okay. 74.
Sir, 571 present, sir.
Why you are not telling everyday attendance? 72 chat boxes, huh?
Sir, 572 present, sir. 572.
73 chat box, huh?
Yes, sir.
74, 75,
Present, sir.
76,
Present, sir.
77,
Present, sir.
78, 79 are there, I think so 80,
Present, sir.
81,
Present, sir.
82,
Present, sir.
83,
Present, sir.
84,
84 not there, sir. 85 present.
okay, 86,
Present, sir.
87,
Present, sir.
88,
Present, sir.
89,
Yes, sir.
90,
Present, sir.
91, 92,
Present, sir.
93,
Present, sir.
94,
Present, sir.
95,
Present, sir.
96,
Sir, 96 is not there.
okay, 96,
97 present.
okay, 97, 98,
Present, sir.
99, 600, 601,
601 not there in our class.
okay, 602 is there, 603,
Present, sir.
604, 600 present. What are you doing, sir?
604 present, sir.
Sir, it got
605,
605 present, sir.
606,
606 present, sir.
607,
Present, sir.
608, 609,
Present, sir.
10,
Present, sir.
11,
Present, sir.
12,
Present, sir.
13,
Present, sir.
14,
Present, sir.
15,
Present, sir.
16, 17.
Sir, present, sir. 617, sir.
Okay, okay, I'm waiting for you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
18,
Present, sir.
19,
Present, sir.
20,
Present, sir.
21,
Present, sir.
22, 23,
Present, sir.
24,
Present, sir.
25,
Present, sir.
26,
Yes, sir.
27,
Present, sir.
28,
Present, sir.
29, 30.
Present, sir.
Who is 30? Neha.
Present.
31,
Sir.
32,
Present, sir.
30. 32 last name, right? Is correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Sir, 29 present, sir.
What are you
Sir,
doing?
574 present, sir.
591 also present, sir.
What?
591.
What? What number?
629, sir.
591.
29 present.
574.
574. What are you doing? Okay, then
Sir,
691.
608. Where did you go?
578, sir.
Now absents are 78, 91, 99,
Sir, 78 present, sir.
78.
Sir,
present.
91 present.
Where are you? 70, 91 name. Rachika Rana.
Sir, present, sir. Yes, sir.
You people are not opening your mouth actually. Happiness only, I think, so people coming attention. Very bad. Those students, they will study well, they will tell, but you are not opening. Only one boy only talking always. You should tell answer right or wrong. Okay. 599 is there.
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
What are you doing up to now? Now only
Sir,
entered, huh?
mic issue, sir.
Okay. 16 is there, huh?
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
Parts are very bad, sir. 622. Only one absent, 622. Okay, yeah. Okay, sir, you can leave, sir. Bye.
Sir, could you share the notes, please?
Yes, I will do. Up to that, I sent it actually. Up to last class, one playlist. There you can check actually. I will upload. Okay, yeah?
Okay. Sir. Thank you, sir.
One playlist I have said, that playlist will be uploaded one by one every day. In that
Okay, thank you,
playlist
sir.
one by one I will upload. Okay, yeah. Right, sir. Okay, bye. You can leave. You can go to next class.